What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We back in my bathroom. We come in with you today with, I don't even know. What we gonna talk about today is basically just like, this is 3 easy like tips, tricks on how to keep your retwist, I don't even know why I got this pen in my hand, to keep your retwist looking fresh. So I wrote all this down. I got all these things. Let me get my thing together. Hold on. Okay, so I just retwisted my hair yesterday. It's just in a ponytail right now, as you can see, obviously. And so I'm just gonna give you guys the 3 things that I do to keep my retwist fresh as long as possible. Number 1, when you retwist your hair, especially like, I know that some people like to use no product when they retwist, so just like when your locks are dry or when you just like washed your hair you want to retwist. This is what I do when I retwist. I use Tropical Roots Firm Locking Gel, this stuff right here. I like this gel because it doesn't leave any type of weird waxy like kind of sheen to my hair like some like gels or waxes do. With this one, it washes out really good, especially since I've been doing I've been working out a lot a lot more now. So I've been washing my hair once every week. So build-up's not really an issue for me. Anyway, back to the stuff. This firm locking gel. This stuff is really good. It is firm enough that it will hold like the root. When you retwist, it'll hold everything together, but then it's still pliable enough that you can style it and do what you need to do with it. So my second tip for you all is to sleep with a doorag, a bonnet, a satin scarf, anything to just like go over your hair when you sleep, especially for anyone who wants to have their edges laid. When you just retwist your hair, use one of like these little headbands, okay? Just throw it on. And then I will just use this to lay it on top of my hair. Obviously you do this after you've moisturized or conditioned your locks for the night, whichever you use, coconut oil, Jamaican black castor oil, whatever. But I'll use this and then I'll use my satin scarf and just tie my locks in that. And then that will all keep your edges looking great, but also keep your roots retwisted better. Also sleep with a satin pillowcase if you want to not do the whole scarf thing, but you really want to use the scarf to protect your roots so that they don't get frizzy and anything. This will just definitely help keep that lasting longer. Also, if you work out, I would recommend leaving that on when you work out just so your hair doesn't get moved. If you're doing any type of exercises that involve your floor or where you're laying on the floor or your hair is touching the floor, all of that dirt and junk on the floor of your gym is gonna get in your hair. So to avoid that, keep your hair wrapped up, okay? Unless you're like me and is lazy. I just don't, cause I mean, it gets hot too, so it's a trade-off. Either you're gonna have hot hair wrapped up or you're gonna have your hair up, but it's gonna get dirty. But I wash it weekly, so it kinda doesn't matter for me. Okay, tip number 3, style your locks. When you style your locks, obviously you're gonna keep your roots really tight and really together. If you do any type of style like braids, twist outs, flat twists, barrel rolls, basically just any lock style, it'll keep your roots clean and everything. It'll keep everything together. One thing too, if you have to wash your hair and you just retwisted your hair, what you could do is braid your locks or do 2-strand twists of your locks and kind of just massage your scalp, not as vigorously as you would normally, but that way you will get the dirt out, you'll be able to wash your hair, but your roots will remain intact and stay a lot fresher. Like they'll just be tighter. And of course, if you braided your hair or did any type of style like that, let your hair dry completely, and then you can either take it out in a few days if you want to, or just leave it as is. But when you take it out, you're gonna have curly locks and your roots will still look really fresh. So to recap, use a firm locking gel, one that doesn't have flakes or anything, but has a good hold on your roots to keep those tight. Number 2, sleep with a do-rag or a satin pillowcase. Also working out, keep your hair wrapped up, okay? Use something for some edge control too if you want to. And then finally, for number 3, style your hair. That'll definitely preserve your retwist and keep your roots looking fresh. So yeah, That's what I do. So those are my 3 tips. Thank you all for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if this was helpful at all, or if you have a tip that I didn't mention in this video, in the comment section, go down there, write something out, something that you do that I didn't mention, let us know so we can all learn more about this. Okay, this is a community. Like, we all are here to lift each other up with some knowledge of the lockage. Okay, also subscribe if you haven't. If you have, thank you for tuning in again, and if you haven't, then welcome to the fam, man. Like, you know, click on the button. You get this stuff like every 2 weeks. So, I mean, I don't know why you don't want this, but do it, okay? Oh, also follow me on social media if you haven't, on any of these 3 platforms. I post stuff pretty regularly there, a lot more regularly than I do here, but that's just got stuff on my life and what I'm doing with like CrossFit and music stuff. So, oh yeah, also, by the way, if you're interested in any of the music that you're hearing in any of my videos, it's all posted on my SoundCloud. Most of it is posted on my SoundCloud. If you need any type of beats for your stuff or anything you do, just hit me up via my email, which is posted here and also on my SoundCloud. So it's all there. All right, well, remember y'all, keep it locked. All right, keep it locked. I will see y'all later. I'll see you when I see you. See you in the next video. All right, peace.